Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you feeling a bit confused about what to wear this fall? Trust me, you're not alone. With so many choices out there, it can be overwhelming to find that perfect look. But don't worry. Today is all about helping you embrace the effortlessly chic Parisian style that you've always admired. We're going to dive into some amazing tips and ideas that will not only elevate your wardrobe, but also boost your confidence as you step out this season. Imagine walking down the street, turning heads with your stylish outfits, all while feeling completely comfortable. Sounds good, right? Well, I promise you, it's possible. In this video, we'll explore classic pieces that are essential for a Parisian fall look, making sure you look fabulous without breaking the bank or spending too much time getting ready. So, get ready to take notes. And I'd love to hear from you. What are you hoping to find in your fall wardrobe this year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get started on this stylish journey together. Let's kick things off with one of the most iconic pieces in any Parisian wardrobe, the trench coat. This timeless classic is not just a coat, it's a statement. Picture this. You're strolling through the charming streets of Paris, and there you are, looking effortlessly chic in a beautifully tailored trench coat. It's the perfect blend of elegance and practicality, making it an essential for your fall collection. When choosing a trench coat, go for classic colors like beige or camel. These shades are incredibly versatile and can elevate even the simplest outfits. You can pair your trench coat with a casual striped shirt and jeans for a laid back yet stylish look, or throw it over a dress for a more polished vibe. The key here is simplicity. Make sure it fits well and keep embellishments to a minimum. Remember, Parisian style is all about looking put together without trying too hard. So, are you ready to add this essential piece to your wardrobe? Trust me, once you do, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. What's your favorite way to style a trench coat? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's talk about another essential piece, stripes. No Parisian wardrobe is complete without this timeless pattern. Stripes exude an effortless charm that instantly elevates your style. Think about the classic Breton stripe shirt. It's versatile, comfortable, and always chic. It's the kind of piece that you can wear in so many different ways. For a fabulous fall look, try layering a striped shirt under a blazer or a cozy cardigan. This not only adds warmth, but also creates a stylish, polished outfit. You can even opt for a striped turtleneck for those chillier days. It's both cute and practical. The beauty of stripes lies in their simplicity. They add just the right amount of detail without overpowering your look. When choosing your stripes, stick to neutral colors like navy, black, or beige. These tones make mixing and matching so much easier and keep your outfits looking sophisticated. Imagine pairing a classic striped top with dark wash jeans and your favorite loafers. Now that's a quintessential Parisian look. So, how do you like to wear stripes? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the style conversation going. Next up, let's dive into the world of knitwear. When fall arrives, cozy sweaters become our best friends. And in Paris, they're all about that cozy yet chic vibe. Whether you prefer chunky knits or lightweight cashmere, knitwear is key to staying warm while looking effortlessly stylish. Imagine slipping on a soft knit sweater paired with a skirt or high-waisted trousers. It creates a perfect balance of comfort and elegance. The secret to nailing Parisian style is to keep things simple. A classic knit can easily be dressed up or down. You might layer it over a dress for a cozy fall look or tuck it into high-waisted jeans for a more polished outfit. Stick to neutral colors like beige, cream, or grey for your knitwear, as they create a versatile base for your wardrobe. And don't shy away from adding a pop of color with your accessories. Investing in high-quality fabrics not only makes you feel luxurious, but also ensures your pieces will last for years to come. So, what's your go-to knitwear piece for fall? Share your favorites in the comments below, and let's inspire each other with our cozy styles. Now, let's move on to two absolute essentials in any Parisian wardrobe: high waisted trousers and jeans. These pieces are not only stylish but also incredibly comfortable, making them perfect for a variety of occasions. High waisted trousers can give you that elegant silhouette while allowing for endless styling possibilities. For a chic, casual look, try pairing your high waisted trousers or jeans with a tucked in turtleneck or a simple blouse. This combination elongates your figure and gives you that classic polished vibe. Whether you're running errands or meeting friends for coffee, these outfits will keep you looking sophisticated without sacrificing comfort. When choosing your trousers or jeans, opt for neutral tones like black, navy, or beige. These colors are easy to mix and match with other pieces in your wardrobe. You can also play with textures. Think wool trousers for those colder days, or a classic denim that never goes out of style. So, what's your favorite way to style high waisted trousers or jeans? I'd love to hear your tips and tricks in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to create those perfect fall looks. Let's not forget about footwear, a crucial element of the Parisian style. This fall, loafers and ankle boots are your go-to shoes for achieving that effortlessly chic look. Both options are not only comfortable but also incredibly versatile, making them perfect for the cooler weather. Loafers add a polished touch to any outfit. Imagine slipping on a pair with your high-waisted trousers or a mid-length skirt. It's a classic Parisian combination that never fails. On the other hand, ankle boots bring a bit of edge and are perfect for those chillier days. Black leather ankle boots are a staple in every Parisian wardrobe, effortlessly elevating your ensemble while keeping your feet warm. When selecting your footwear, aim for timeless designs in neutral colors like black or brown. These choices will ensure that your shoes can be worn year after year, making them a smart investment. Remember, quality is key. A great pair of loafers or ankle boots will not only look stylish, but also provide comfort throughout the day. So, what are your favorite shoes for fall? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And let's chat about the best ways to step into the season in style. Now, let's talk about accessories, specifically minimalist jewelry. When it comes to Parisian style, less is definitely more. French women know that the right jewelry can enhance an outfit without overwhelming it. Think delicate gold chains, simple rings, and small hoop earrings. These understated pieces can really elevate your look. The beauty of minimalist jewelry is that it complements your outfit while allowing your natural beauty to shine through. For example, a pair of gold hoops or a dainty necklace adds just the right amount of sparkle without stealing the spotlight. These subtle details create an effortlessly polished look that is so characteristic of Parisian elegance. When choosing your accessories, opt for pieces that you truly love and that can be easily mixed and matched. This approach not only simplifies your getting ready process, but also ensures that you'll wear your jewelry often. Remember, the goal is to add just enough shine to draw attention to your best features while maintaining the overall simplicity of your outfit. So, what are your favorite minimalist jewelry pieces? I'd love to hear about your go-to accessories in the comments below. Let's inspire each other with our unique styles. As we wrap up our exploration of Parisian style essentials, I want to share some ways you can dive deeper into the chic aesthetic. There's so much more to discover beyond what we've covered today. To enhance your understanding of Parisian fashion, consider exploring various resources that focus on this timeless style. Look for books, articles, or even fashion blogs that highlight the principles of Parisian elegance. These materials often provide valuable insights and tips from fashion experts and influencers who embody this style. By expanding your knowledge, you'll gain a greater appreciation for the art of dressing like a Parisian. Don't forget to check out documentaries or fashion shows that showcase the latest trends and classic pieces in Paris. Visual inspiration can be a powerful way to see how these elements come together in real life. So, what resources have you found helpful in your style journey? I'd love to hear your recommendations in the comments below. Let's share our favorite finds and continue to inspire each other as we embrace the elegance of Parisian fashion. Now, let's discuss how we can enhance your viewing experience with engaging visual elements. To bring our exploration of Parisian style to life, this video will feature vibrant images and inspiring visuals of each essential piece we talked about. These visuals will not only help you see how these items look in real life, but also spark your creativity as you envision how to integrate them into your own wardrobe. Imagine seeing a beautifully styled trench coat draped over a chic outfit or a cozy knit sweater paired perfectly with high-waisted trousers. These images will add a dynamic quality to the video, making it more enjoyable and informative. Visual storytelling is a powerful tool that can elevate your understanding of fashion and help you visualize how to achieve that effortless Parisian look. Additionally, I'll be sharing styling tips alongside these images, showing you different ways to mix and match pieces. So keep an eye out for those visual cues that will guide you as you create your own stunning outfits. What types of visuals do you find most helpful in fashion videos? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. As we come to the end of our stylish journey through the essentials of Parisian fashion, I want to thank you all for joining me today. Remember, embracing the chic aesthetic isn't just about the clothes you wear, it's about how you carry yourself with confidence and grace. By incorporating these timeless pieces into your wardrobe, you'll feel empowered to express your unique style while channeling that effortless Parisian elegance. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear what you think. Which piece from today's video are you most excited to try? Or do you have any favorite tips for achieving that Parisian look? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to read your insights and ideas. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful and inspiring, give it a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me. Make sure to stay tuned for future videos where we'll continue to explore the wonderful world of fashion together. Until next time, stay chic, stay confident, and embrace the elegance of fall.